Tuisonga na mbe ambassador wa nthi ya Sweden va Kenya Her Excellency Caroline Vicini ni watambua kauntini ya Makueni ayike kalona Ngavana wa kaunti Mutula Kilonzo Junior na ndongo isi ya kaunti kikalo kila maana na ngwatanio ya kaunti na nthi ya Sweden ki maundeeo. Ambassador Vicini niwenda kaunti ya Makueni kwivathana na Ulusani na kukuna maundu kwa ulungalu maundu ala waweta kana nimo vata ukusisya nthi wa Sweden kutetheanisya kuete maundeeo kauntini ya Makueni. Caleb nukutuelezea.
Silikali ya nthi ya Sweden ni kukwatiania na silikali wa kaunti ya Makueni nthini wa mivango ya kwikia mitalatala miseo ya kukitana na Ulusani kauntini eno. Ukiumbulwa ni ambassador wa nthino ya Sweden Caroline Vicini kavijane kaleta mbukite kauntini ya Makueni kwi umunthi na kwithwa na kikalo na gavana vamwe na ndongo isia kaunti ya Makueni. Ambassador Vicini ni wakathi ya vanene matambia ma kaunti ino ila yosete nthini wa kwikithia utumiku mwailu wa ilovia sia mwene nthi kuwa yathana kana silikali ya nthi ya Sweden ni kumitetheesya silikali ya kaunti ino kwikia mitalatala miseo ya kwailanja mivango ino.
And I am really delighted to see what I've seen this morning about the transparency in this county and the possibilities for the population to hold the county government accountable and to see where the money goes and to see how the money is spent and what services and what kind of infrastructure, etc. you get out from it. There are very high ambitions here, and that is something we really would like to encourage. For Sweden, transparency and accountability is very, very important. It is in our genes.
Otauni waweta kana ni methwa maikwatiana na silikali eno maundu ni makukitana na waluku wa nzeve na muno mwaki wa kaunti eno. Ndeto ila sia kwa twamba une gavana wa kaunti eno Mutula Kilonzo Junior ulota waweta kana ni mukulia ambassador Vicini aikithia kana nthi ya Sweden ya tetheesya silikali sia lempetani eno ya ukambani maundu ni kivathukanyo kwisila ngwatanio ya sekeb.
As well as climate change, environment, Makueni has a huge challenge with water, and I think this is a challenge that has been taken seriously. And for the future of the county, it's very important that that work can continue. And we hope to be able to, in some way, support this.
We have requested to have a more detailed meeting with our technical team. We have also requested, just like other counties are doing, particularly the Lake region, as a big cooperation with them. We have interested the ambassador in the Southeastern Economic Bloc in terms of partnerships on various matters that they are doing, so that we can strengthen the friendship and the things that they have been doing with us.
Caleb Chalo Mutongoi TV, Vilingi wa Mauvo.